Hi everyone, Dr. K here. So we're here at the end of July, super powerful month. Not only is it hot, especially in Arizona, but it's the number 7. It's the number of spiritual self. It's the number of soul coming in and having a bigger access to our hearts, to our minds. So really powerful time in July and 7 that is bringing us into the number 8. Not only is it the number of infinity, it is the number of 88 being the Lion's Gate. Lion's Gate is another, it's like an add-on to what has been already happening through the year 2025. Literally more light coming down to planet Earth, more possibilities, more availabilities, more waking up to, wow, all of this that's going on, not so good, and there is so much more. And or wow, I see what is going on, and I'm gonna choose otherwise, or I'm gonna choose to be the spokesperson, the breakthrough person. You know, I'm really, I love, I'm here for planet Earth, I'm here for humanity. And I just spoke to this amazing young gentleman about planet Earth and how do we preserve her? Like really, how do we truly preserve her with so much new building and happenings? And he told me about this bill that moved into the Senate that, wow, we're gonna be selling public land to investors. And I thought, oh my gosh, even the idea that that's something that has been possible and put into the big Senate, it's like, oh wow, like we're really going there. So that is like, for me, it's bigger wake up call, like bigger, okay, I must show up. I must stand up for what I believe in. I must stand up for planet Earth that I believe here. By the way, the bill did not get moved to the next stage. I was so grateful for that. But just an example of all those things happening that are sort of, we're so busy. There's a lot of wind, so you're going to see that. We're so busy, it's easy to let that slide. And what's happening in this year of 2025 and on this brink between July and August is just that. What is my stand? What do I stand for on planet Earth? For me as a human being, for me as mother, father, lover, teacher, doctor, business owner, you name it. And what am I willing to really bring as my truth into the next stage and into the whole of humanity? Yep, that's it. And that's what July and August is really here for us to the hold. It's this holding place for that. All right, many blessings on this amazing summer. Thank you, sun, for being here for us, because as hot as you are, we could not be here without you. So there's always what I remind myself. Thank you, and thank you. Blessings on all of you.